In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create templates in Quip. Templates in Quip are a great way to standardize work so everyone starts from the same place. Whether you're creating a project brief, a meeting agenda, or a handoff checklist, the process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. Begin by opening Quip and creating a new document, or open an existing document that you want to turn into a template. If you're starting fresh, give the document a clear title so people immediately know what it's for. If you're using an existing document, make sure it represents the ideal starting point, not a one-off example. Next, add and format the content exactly how you'd want future users to begin. Think about the structure people should follow: clear section headings, logical order, and consistent formatting. Add placeholders where you want people to fill in details. Brackets like project name or owner work well. You can also include short inline instructions, so users know what to write in each section. Keep sample text generic, avoid any real or sensitive information, and use styles like headings, checklists, and tables to make the template easy to scan. If there are required fields, call them out so they're not missed. The goal is to reduce guesswork and help people produce consistent, high-quality documents quickly. When your content looks the way you want, it's time to mark it as a template. From inside the document, go to the document menu at the top left. Choose Mark as Template and confirm when prompted. This step locks in your document as a reusable starting point, so take a moment to review before you click Confirm. Once it's marked, the document becomes a template and will appear in your template library. That means your team can find it easily and start from it whenever they need to, based on the sharing and access you've already set. A quick note on permissions. Only users with full access can mark a document as a template. If you don't see the option, you may need to request the appropriate access from the document owner or an admin. Also remember, marking a document as a template doesn't change who can see it. It simply makes it available as a standardized starter. That's it. Create or open the right document, format it as your ideal starting point, then mark it as a template and confirm. With a few thoughtful touches, clear headings, helpful placeholders, and concise instructions, you'll have a polished Quip template that saves time and keeps everyone aligned.